What's up, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Ron. Welcome to my channel. So today is December 18th, 2023. We received arguably our first measurable snow. We received around 2 inches, and I'm going to plow some of my stuff. Let's go do this. So now we gotta be careful here. These trees have pretty well wrecked up the asphalt. In this spot specifically. Our other mission is to try and not chew up all the grass. So far so good. I'm not seeing big chunks of grass in the center of the road here, so that means we didn't go too far into people's yards. this is by far the biggest weakness the V plows have, is I don't think that they backblade as well as the straight blades do. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so here's where things get a little tricky for me, and if you're someone who is trying to make money plowing snow, this is definitely not the way to do it. But this is how I choose to do it here, because I don't like people yelling at me because they have too much snow in their yard at the end of the winter. Okay, so we've got the plow in an L shape. The intention is to, we want to control where it rolls, obviously, but our objective is to try and continue pushing the material forward as opposed to just shifting it to the side. So now we scoop, and our goal is to get it down past where we have homes on both sides, and then we can just shift it over. And what do I mean if you're trying to make money at this? I mean, most people are just going to push it into the yards. So, but sometimes when we have those big snow years like we did 2022, 2023, then these folks don't always have places to put their snow either when they shovel it. And so they can get a little bit snippy when they run out of room, Okay, now we get to windrow our material. Touching this road, this is gravel. We're just going to try and let it compact as long as I can get away with it. This spot gives me a little trouble, where if it gets icy, the lip is just right. I don't know if you can see that off the plow cam, but it gets there's a pretty big drop off there, and I really like trying to get the snow over that drop off. We'll see. I'm interested to see how this works with the tractor this year, because it has a lot longer reach, so I think I can get it further back. Another reason why I don't like piling in the people's yards where possible. I don't like getting yelled at for me tearing up their grass. Sometimes it's just inevitable you're going to tear up grass, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for taking this ride with me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the thumbs up. I'd love for you to do that. It means a lot to me personally. For more of my videos, please subscribe, notification bell, all that good stuff. If you want to chat, hit me up in the comments section. And for another video, check out down here. So we'll go over some more plowing in the tractor. All right, talk to you later.